Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and thank you, Honourable Nand, for his question. Just before I delve into the substance of Honourable Nand's question, Honourable Speaker, just thought I'd address some remarks made by Honourable Pramila Kumar regarding the tax-free to Fiji Water. That is absolute nonsense, Honourable Speaker. That is not correct. And I have repeatedly, on this side of the House, cautioned the members to keep on using this allegation that for some reason we are favoring Fiji Water. Fiji Water is paying its... Fiji Water, Honourable Speaker,
Order.
as I have explained, maybe I'll get a calculator and come and explain it in here better. But basically, Honourable Speaker, the fundamental issue is this. In order to regularize the tax structures within the industry, all manufacturers in water got tax-free status. However, in the calibration of the water tax, the Fiji Water tax was increased. So in other words, in total, there is no loss of revenue to the Fiji government. That wasn't confirmed by me. It was confirmed by the Ministry of Finance and FRCS. So, Honourable Speaker, when we come and make comments in this House, I urge, sir, that we be factual, and if you have facts to the contrary, bring them, and we can debate them. But I just caution some level of responsibility when we are talking about companies in this House. Honourable Speaker, to the question from Honourable Nand. I suppose the biggest distinction is, of course, the Fiji Water Foundation, which actually does the charitable work and is a charitable arm of Fiji Water, is separate from Fiji Water. And when I first saw the question from the Honourable Nand, I was wondering whether he had the Water Authority in mind as opposed to the Fiji Water, because, of course, the separate nature of the two entities. But, basically the Fiji Water Foundation is, of course, funded by the Fiji Water, the company. Has been established in 2007 and has been focused in improving the lives of all Fijians through various initiatives that they have been doing since 2007, Honourable Speaker. So far, the estimation is that we've been invested up to 3.2 million in water-related projects, benefiting over 60,000 Fijians in over 30 rural communities throughout Fiji, Honourable Speaker. The foundation, of course, is dedicated through various initiatives that they have with community development, and in community development they look at reliable infrastructure, access to clean water, healthcare, and education to the rural communities, particularly in the Angara area, who are the traditional landowners and where a lot of the employees reside. They also assist with healthcare services for underprivileged communities and providing relief during natural calamities. Education, such as classroom grants, is another area that they assist in. Environmental conservation, they fund a lot of clean water initiatives that are aimed to provide sustainable and hygienic water sources to the rural population. And finally, of course, they also, some of their funds are directed at grant programs that try and assist with economic empowerment, with a particular focus on women empowerment and leadership, Honourable Speaker. In terms of some of the specifics, of course, Fiji Water has been helping, like I said, the communities in the Angara area, and particularly with bore pumps and reticulation systems. Rauni, Nasiani, Tongaver, and Rambulu. They apparently pay for electricity for those pumps since its installation. and have a full-time plumber that's actually supporting the village communities, and also they have village water committees that actually look after watch those systems. Honorable Speaker, as you also know that Fiji Water has started to now focus on commercial agriculture. Right now the focus is citrus, papaya and honey. They are moving around the country looking at available land, even in Honolulu as well, Honorable Speaker. And so we look forward to Fiji Water assisting in commercializing agriculture, and look forward to that as well. Apart from that, right now they are looking at constructing a solar plant to support their factory out in Yangara. They are in deep conversation with Energy Fiji Limited in terms of that solar plant, and most likely they will construct a solar farm that supplies their factory, but also supplies back to the grid, which will be quite helpful as we try and transition to renewable energy. And I know the honourable leaders of opposition is quite passionate about the transition to renewable energy, and that news will be music to his ears. So, Honourable Speaker, in a nutshell, I hope that does answer the question by the Honourable Nan. Indeed, Fiji Water has been a very responsible corporate partner for the country. In fact, what we are seeing is they can do more for Fiji. And you know, the advent into commercial agriculture is certainly one opportunity. The second, of course, is the solar project. And then next one that's coming up is because they have now quite a large maritime business, they are going to be making some significant investments in FNU to assist with the maritime school there. So these are some of the things that I thought I'd just add on as part of the Honourable Nan's question, and I thank him for the very useful question. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.